Okay, this is step 2. You finished step 1. You've gone ahead and put your filament in your printer and connected your extruder and the guide tube and the table. And now you're ready for step 2. You do not want to have your USB plugged in from your printer to your computer or laptop. Again, do not plug that in. Your computer or laptop should not be plugged into the printer yet. First, we're going to go over on your computer to start, and we're going to get your software. We're going to type in MakerBot or Maker, and we're going to click on MakerBot Desktop. Okay, the first thing you need to do, very important, is to sign in over here on the right. If you do not have an account, you need to create an account first and then sign in. So if you have not created an account, go ahead and pause the video and create that account now. And then once you finish creating your account, you need to sign in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, now that I've signed in, you see the little person there? That shows that I've signed in. Okay, and we see that I have prepare up here at the top. Very important. If it's not on prepare, you need, like it's on library, you need to click on prepare. Prepare is the only place that you can print from. Prepare is just what it says. You're preparing your object or creation to be printed. So it's got to be in prepare. So we're in prepare, and we notice at the bottom left it says Replicator Mini. It needs to say MakerBot Replicator Mini, and the reason it doesn't is because we're not plugged in. So let's plug in our USB. So after we've created our account and we've signed in, now it's time to plug in the USB cord. So I'm going to plug in, and it's going to make a sound, and now it says MakerBot Replicator Mini. Okay, now that we've plugged in the USB, we've noticed it's changed from just Replicator Mini to MakerBot Replicator Mini. If it does not say MakerBot Replicator Mini, then your USB is not correctly plugged in. We've also noticed that it is allowing us to update our firmware, and we're going to go through that process now. If you do not see this update firmware sign, you need to unplug your USB and plug it back in, and do that until it comes up as necessary. All right, let's get started. We're going to start by installing, and that takes about 15 minutes.